Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this quick and easy decorated painted cutting board. I did two different designs from some cutting boards I got from Home Goods. So I hope you guys like this video, and let me go ahead and show you what I did. So to get started with the first cutting board, I got this one for $4.99 at Home Goods, and then I got these stencils at Michael's. It actually comes in a pack with two different designs. You can see there's the other design. I'm going to be using this kind of flower, I'm not sure what to call it, design, and I'm going to tape it down, and I'm just going to kind of center it here on the cutting board. And I tried to put this down with painter's tape. The painter's tape was not sticking to the wood. However, I was afraid to put the regular Scotch tape on there, so I kept the painter's tape on and then taped the edges around. And then I took my Waverly chalk paint in the color ink and my little sponge brush that I got from Walmart, and just started pressing that paint in. Now, I am not a huge fan of regular stencils like this, so for me it was a little bit harder to do, and I had to be a little bit more careful than I would with my regular, what I'm calling stick-on stencils that I make with my Cricut, but it still worked out okay. Now for the second one, this cutting board I got for $6 at Home Goods, and I made a stencil using my Cricut because I couldn't find one already made with the cow. And it says farm fresh, and it says milk on the inside of the cow. So I created that. I got that SVG from Love SVG, so I'll put the link down below for that. So if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette, you can go and get this exact design. And I just did the same thing, pressing that same black color into the wood. Now, to remove the stencil, I peeled off the tape, and I'm going to show you here. The Scotch tape did pull up a little bit of the, I'm assuming maybe stain, but it did leave a little mark. So that's exactly what I was worried about by putting that tape on there. You can see right there. But that's why I wrapped it around to the back. So there is a small part on the handle that you can see, but it's very small, and you probably really wouldn't know it was there unless I pointed it out. So once this is completely dry, I did go ahead and pull that stencil off, and just very carefully. Now, the stencil did bleed in a couple spots that were on the kind of edges or corners maybe, but you know what? It's okay. This still turned out beautiful. Now for the second one, I again waited for the paint to completely dry, and I am going to carefully remove the stencil and weed out the remaining parts. So I'm going to take this leather strap that was hanging this wine cutting board. I had this on the wall, and I'm actually going to be replacing it with my new painted cutting board. So I'm just going to take that leather strap and use that to hang this. Now you could use twine or rope, whatever fits your cutting board. But this is where I put it, just on this little small section of wall in my kitchen. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. It is so pretty, and it is just the look I was going before. And then for the Farm Fresh cow here, I have it displayed with some of my other wood cutting boards. I might end up putting this on my planner shelf, I'm not sure. I definitely think the quality of this one turned out a little better, but I'm a little biased with my Cricut. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.